To enable or disable quick typing in screen reader Samsung Galaxy S10, open Settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accessibility. Tap Screen Reader. Turn on Voice Assistant. Tap Switch until blue. Tap Allow. Turn off this function. To turn on voice assistant, the following function need to be turned off temporarily. Tap OK.
Voice assistant on. Screen reader.
To enable quick typing, tap quick typing switch until blue. To disable, tap quick typing switch
When voice assistant is on, your
until
phone provides
gray.
spoken quick typing. Use the Samsung keyboard and the keypad by tapping keys once. On switch. Off.
To turn on or to enable, tap switch
Quick typing. Use the Samsung
quick
keyboard and the
typing switch
keypad by
until
tapping
blue.
keys on.
Now let's do try.
Home screen. Page 1 of Google search. 1. Editing. Search. F. Showing 5 suggestions. J. Showing L. Y. Showing 5 R. Showing 5
If you
suggestions.
disable quick typing, to select keyboard, you need to double tap.
Keyboard hidden. Settings in list. Settings. Screen reader. Quick typing. Use the same. Off. Home. Google search. 1 UI home. Editing. Search. Y. U. Showing 5 showing 5 suggestions. Showing 5 suggestions. C. Showing 5 suggestions. H. Showing 1 suggestion. Keyboard hidden. Home
Thank
screen,
you
page
for
1 of
watching.
default page.
Have a nice day.